I barely even stepped out and still ended up like this. This is why I prefer MPIL Amasta Avle. It is packed with so many Ayurvedic ingredients that help build immunity against today's rising pollution, a major cause of cold and respiratory issues. It has powerful ingredients like Vasa that helps in treating cough, cold, asthma, Mulethi for boosting immunity, Kantakari, Harangi, Pushpakarmul, Khajur for improving immunity and sleep, Tulsi for improving respiratory health, and Peepli that is effective in cough and cold. 1 spoon a day, that's what I do to detox my lungs. Your lungs deserve better. So start today. MPIL Wellness is also available on Amazon, Flipkart, and other e-commerce websites. So shop now.